Hi everyone, I'm Ursula and I'll be guest hosting the Stylista review. And today we'll be looking at Miss Black's new winter collection. A bunch of people from the Stylista community sent us questions on Instagram and we're going to answer you right here, right now. The first shoe up for review is the studded stiletto heel. No, they don't cause any discomfort on the inside of your feet because of this beautiful inner lining. And the jewels don't hook onto any clothes either. These boots have a sneaky zip over here which makes it really easy to slip them over your jeans. This pretty lace makes the thigh high easily adjustable. These ankle boots are just a classic. You can dress them up, dress them down, and they're really pretty. Of course they come in black. All the shoes come in black. It's Miss Black!